Are you looking to fix some terrible sealant or grout? If yours looks just as bad as mine, then you definitely need to check out this new Saker tool. So I was having a really hard time cleaning up my grout. I didn't know how to get it off. I didn't know how to remove the old stuff. It was just becoming such a hassle and really, really frustrating. When I tried to use Caulk, it was like confusing. How do you make it smooth? I don't even know. It's just such a mess. And then when I would try to use my finger to smooth the Caulk, it was disgusting, sticky, messy, and it wasn't even looking good. So I decided to check out this Saker tool. It is a 4-in-1 multi-function patented design caulking tool that is going to help you make your bathroom or kitchen or anywhere you need to caulk look professional in such an easy way. So it comes with a handle that has a really nice, easy to feel grip. All these tool heads snap right onto that handle so that they're ready to use. It comes with a bunch of different removable blades so that you can make sure you use something sharp and easy to clean, and they snap right on. Then it also has a grout hook knife, which will clean the dust and debris. It has something to help you remove old glue from the vanities, bathrooms, toilets, anything. It just comes with everything you need, even the tape to make those lines super clean on your caulk. So when I got this set, I knew that I was ready to caulk my shower and make it look nice and new. So I started using the scraper head and one of the removable blades. They just snap right on using a screwdriver, and all you have to do is just go under the old caulk and it lifts right up. Look at this. It was so easy. This is the tool you need to start with to get that old caulk off. So once I used that, I moved on to the Caulk spatula. So this is just kind of pointed, and it has a pointed razor blade at the end, and that is gonna really get in those corners and get all the extra caulk off. So you snap that tool right onto the handle, and then you just have to push it underneath, and look at this. It's actually really satisfying to use because it comes off so easily. You just get right under there and it peels right off. So your old caulk is gonna come off cleanly. You're gonna be able to get everything off so that you don't have anything left to make it look bad, anything left that will not make it waterproof. It just peels right off. Loved using this tool. So once you have that old caulk off using the Caulk spatula, you're going to move on to the grout hook knife. So this is to really clean the dust and debris out of the gaps of the tile before you add the new caulk. So you want to make sure to use this, again, just to get every little bit off. It just snaps right onto the handle, and then you're just going to use that little hook and kind of get in there, get that detailed stuff, get all the remaining things off so that your new caulk will go on smoothly. So once I had everything off, it was time to caulk. So I got out my caulk gun and put some new stuff on. Again, here's just getting that little bit out, that extra. And now I was ready. So I got the caulking head. So this is the next tool that you're going to use. It's called the caulking head, and this is going to make it look really clean. So you see how I already got the caulk on there, but it's not smooth. It's not nice. You got to take this tool, push it in the corners, and really scrape it to get that clean edge. So you see all that extra? You don't want that extra. It looks terrible. So you're going to kind of run it along, see how it kind of gets every little bit off. You run it all the way down, and then you kind of just you can use a scraper head if you want to kind of get the extra off. And that is it. So my shower was so easy to re-caulk using this Saker tool. I loved it. It was so much easier than using your finger, so much cleaner. It made my tub look nice. I knew that it was waterproof. You can use this on a tub, on a shower, on a toilet, anything that you need caulk, around a sink, everything. You are gonna love it.